So welcome back to the channel. This is F.O.M. Dtf. We're back with another video. About to show you guys what I do to get the printer up and going, daily maintenance, and how we're going to continuously printing. And this is what we do to start the whole day routine before we started getting prints ready for the customers. And I'm going to show you guys what we do. So take a look at what's going on here. I'm going to go ahead and, even though it's kind of dark, guys, a good reason what's going on. So now I have the printer in service mode. I'm going to move this printhead out the way, and you see from yesterday this is what we have. So you have to actually get this moist, and I put my solution inside, make sure everything is looking good. And another thing some people don't tell you about this, up at the top when you put this in your little service mode, you want to put this paper here along the top back here, so the printer head, put it along the top of here. So the print head, and this right here is just a sensor, so it makes the print head contract back and forth. But once you put this up there, whatever little paper you're gonna have, it's gonna make the print head, when you start printing, don't come back and slide back on top of the capping station. So you wanna keep that in mind, that's very important. And then we're gonna just run a cleaning, get all that old solution out and fill it up with new solution and get everything good, going.